Good evening everyone. My name is Ramandeep Singh, studying in class 10th in Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 15C, Chandigarh. Today I am going to prove Pythagoras theorem by an activity. So the Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of its base and its height. So let's go ahead and perform an activity. First of all, I just tell you what the Pythagoras theorem is. The Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of its base and its height, where C is a hypotenuse, A is a base and B is a height. So the formula becomes C square is equal to A square plus B square. So first step of my activity is take a colored paper and made a triangle ABC, where AB is equal to hypotenuse, that is C, and QR as a base named as A, and AC as altitude of a right angle triangle. And second step is paste the triangle on white sheet or white paper. Third step, draw a square on each sides of a triangle, side AB, BC and AC, and name them accordingly to shown in figure 2. This is my figure number 2. In it, I have drawn 5 centimeters of each square as AB, and a square as altitude 3 centimeter all, and here BC 4 centimeter all. Fourth step is we have to just extend the lines, that is FB to point P and GA to point Q respectively. Now just fifth point of my activity is we have to name all the triangles and squares as well as. So this is my first triangle, and we have to made a right angle on P also. So it becomes 1, 2, 3 triangles, 4, 5 triangles are here in fourth figure. So just move on another. This square is 5 centimeter all the sides, as well as where it also. So the pieces of square AHIC and BEDC are fit in this square. So hence proved that the sum of the squares of other two sides is equal to hypotenuse of an right angle triangle. So observation of my activity is area of square ACIH, that is altitude of an right angle triangle, so that is 3 centimeter. So it becomes AC square, that is equal to 9 centimeter square, and area of square BCDE, that is base of the right angle triangle, that is equal to 4 centimeter. So it becomes BC square is equal to 16 centimeter, and area of square ABFG, that is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle, equal to AB square, that is 25 centimeter. So AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB square is 25 centimeter, BC square is equal to 9 centimeter, and AC square is equal to 16 centimeter. So it is proved as 25 is equal to 25. So it is hence proved that the hypotenuse is the longest side, and the in a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of its base and its height. Thank you.